हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। इट्स अयान। मैं अभी खड़ा हूँ बैंगलोर में मेरे दीदी के अपार्टमेंट में, और आज मेरी जर्नी होने वाली है बैंगलोर से गुवाहाटी के लिए। सो मेरे पीछे आप बैंगलोर शहर को सुबह सुबह देख पा रहे हो। आज हमारी फ़्लाइट है 12 बजे, एंड आज हम लोग जाने वाले हैं एयर इंडिया से। सो कुछ ही टाइम में हमारी उबेर आएगी। उसके पहले मैं मेरे भांजे से लास्ट अलविदा लूँगा, फिर कब मिलना होगा। एंड उसके बाद कैसे हम लोग लमडिंग तक पहुँचते हैं, आई विल शो यू ऑल दैट। सो लेट्स सी। See, the greenery is so beautiful. That's why it's the garden city of India, because everywhere garden, and we are going for the garden. So yeah, as you can see, so beautiful. Terminal 2 is also called as the terminal in garden. In India you will never get this terminal again, because Bangalore only have this. After going inside properly, I will show you what are the features, what things are there, and why it's called the garden. After going inside, I will tell you. Down we will get the terminal 1, and upside is the terminal 2. So finally we reach the terminal 2. See, so we reached. So finally we reached the Kempagoda International Airport, Bangalore, Terminal 2. Why Terminal 2 is important? Because this is the terminal in garden. Fully 400 species of trees you will get. So just see the beauty. It's so beautiful. And now it's 9:50. Within 10 we will go inside. Boarding we will do. It started in 2023 and it was built in 2022. Inside you will get full garden, waterfalls, everything. It's so beautiful. So you can see Bangalore Airport, which is the India's third busiest airport. It is so long. Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 both are there. Shortly we will proceed inside. So I got my boarding passes. So my numbers are 27 ABC, and I got the window seat, that is A, and B is the middle, and C is the side. And this is the airport. So it is very easy as compared to other airports. And now our security check will start for our Air India Express IX 2945. Just check out the interior, guys. It's fully made up of bamboo, like the structure. So fully you just see it's so decorated. This is the domestic departure, and after that security check will start and we will go inside. Fully decorated. It's the full garden terminal, you can say. So let's proceed towards security check. So you can see there are 400 species of trees. So here are some, you can see, so beautiful here. Everything is decorated. So our security check has been done. So here also, like Guwahati, you have to remove everything: belt, jacket, charger, electronic things. And here you can see boarding gates and some decorations with some statues. Here you can see बहुत सारे मूर्तियाँ हैं यहाँ पे, आप देख पा रहे हो। ये एयरपोर्ट की पूरा गार्डन बना दिया गया है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल। तो इसके बाद हमारा D13 था गेट, अभी हम लोग जाएंगे D18 की तरफ। बहुत चल के आने के बाद बहुत सारे शॉप्स मिलेंगे आपको, बहुत चलना होगा। और D18, 19 का सेक्शन ग्राउंड में आता है। सो ये यू कैन सी D19 एयर इंडिया, सॉरी 18 एयर इंडिया Express IX 294. So we came to the D18 portion, that is we have to travel, like you have to walk and come, then ground floor D18, their bus is there and the flights are standing। देख सकते हो हम, बहुत सारे फ्लाइट्स खड़े हुए हैं, हमें शायद बस से लिया जाएगा। तो फॉर आवर IX 2945। So here you can see plenty of flights. So we are going towards our place for IX 2945, and this is the Air India bus, and our flight will start at 12. So it's little outer the Air India one. So this is the bus, you can see so many flights are standing. Just now we will board and I will tell you about the story of Air India Express, not Air India. So this is the story when it started, what is that. So after getting down I will tell you. So the bus turned. See people standing. So backside of me you can see our Air India Express IX 2945. This is the Airbus A320 and our seat as it backside, the seat capacity is 236. You can see there are many flights standing whole. So we are going inside, as you can see. So we are so here you can see. So here we are going inside, as you can see. So our one is 27 ABC. You can see the seats are so beautiful. We have to go last because it's 27 ABC, my window seat. So we're at the end of the yaka, you can see. So we entered and now process is going on, refueling. And here is the Air India Express flight, another one. In Terminal 2 many Air India flights you will get. So you can see this is our seat and I'm sitting. Leg space is too heavy, you can see, as compared to others. So you can see our flight started taxiing. So since it's a third biggest and busiest airport, so it's taking little longer time to take off. So you can see one Air India. That flight will take off, then our one will go. So we are heading towards the main runway, that is 27R and 27L. There are two runways only. like 27L, 27R and 27R, 27L. So we are heading towards that. Since we are back, so we will see the wing side only. Still we are taxiing. Singapore airline, you can see. It will just take off. So it's a takeoff for Indigo. You can see two flights are coming together. One little yellow. Started operational from 2005. Since it's a Air India, it's its parent company. So we will talk about Air India Express only. So now we are at the 30,000 feet altitude and our flight is heading towards Guwahati. Now, as I did not book the pre-meal, I took cup and noodles, chicken. So you can see it's very tasty. So I will review it. How is it? So they charge just 300 rupees for this, and at 30,000 feet I'm getting this. Ready. So now I'm reviewing it. Cup and noodles chicken. How it is? Let's try. Really, that's yummy. You should try in Air India. Stop karo. So here you can see clouds, the wings, with backside of the wings. So let me tell you about something about Air India. Air India शुरू हुआ था 1932 में, एंड ये इंडिया का सबसे पहला कैरियर था जो बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा था. उसके बाद 2004 में आई एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस. मतलब एयर इंडिया उसकी पेरेंट कंपनी है एंड एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस स्टार्ट हुई. वो लो कॉस्ट कैरियर वाली थी इसलिए, एंड देन ये एक्सप्रेस बहुत अच्छे से चलने लगी. पहला त्रिवेंद्रम से कच्चे घोड़ी तक चली थी, फिर इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप्स पे मारने लगी. सो अब से ज़्यादातर डोमेस्टिक फ़्लाइट्स आपकी मिल जाएगी फॉर एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस एंड इंटरनेशनल फॉर एयर इंडिया। इस तरीके से दोनों को टाटा ने डिवाइड कर दिया। सो ये इतिहास है एयर इंडिया और एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस का। और हम लगभग 1 से 1.5 घंटे लगेंगे हमें पहुंचने में गुवाहाटी, द कैपिटल ऑफ असम, इन फ्लाइट IX। So it started descending. So before that I wanted to say that I booked all my tickets via Paytm because Paytm is a user friendly app, and with that I can book train, flight, hotel, anything. So I would recommend that please book via Paytm only because you will get much more discount, promotions and all. So we are landing at a speed of 400 km per hour. We will land within 10 to 15 minutes. So I wanted to say that my prices was around 9,000 in Air India Express. Because of Indigo last month in December there is some problem, that's why the fares got little high, and 3 persons we have to pay 27,000 something without including meal. And one more thing, always remember, Air India does provide meal. Air India Express does not provide you the meal, and the luggage is 15 kg for Air India Express, and for Air India it's 25 kg. So don't make mistake. So we are descending. So our Air India Express IX 2945 Bangalore to Guwahati is descending at a speed of 400 km per hour. Then it's getting its speed little slower. So you can see the ground. Shortly we will touch the land of D. Set. Yeah, we are getting down. So the countdown begins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a smooth touchdown in Lokpriya Gopinath Bordolo International Airport, Guwahati. So the speed is getting back, reverse, 200 speed. It's a reversal thrust they applied. So before time only we reached at 3:05. Though the starting was at 12, but we started at 12:30. Then also we reached earlier. That's it. So finally we reach our destination. So after getting down I will show you little Guwahati airport.
लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बोरदोलोई हवाई अड्डे पर आपका स्वागत है। इस समय बाहर का तापमान 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए आपसे निवेदन है कि कृपया अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और अब आप अपने मोबाइल फोन का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। सामान कक्ष को खोलते समय सावधानी बरतें।
So finally we reached the Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi Guwahati International Airport. This is the bell section, and our Air India Express belt came on bell 2. So after collecting we will go ahead for railway station Hope so you like the journey. So please do like, subscribe, and do watch for more videos like trains, flights in my both the channels, Hayan 9706 and Hayan 05. Thank you.